What is... Huh? What's going on, guys? I haven't made a YouTube video in so long. You guys haven't seen my car in so long. The car is actually green, it's not black. I mean, you can kind of see it right there. So it's been so long since I made my last video, but today I am finally getting out of coilovers. I am going bags. What the hell? Yeah, we're going to bags. I have the bag set up right here. Got the Airlift right here. I got it for dummy cheap, which is awesome. Yeah, we're gonna be running bags now, but we're gonna run everything super low. So yeah, I'm not gonna be monster trucking whenever I am on ride height. I'm gonna be still low, but I'm still can air out. Just because I want to go back, just because yeah, speed bumps everywhere, and also this is my only car, and I want to keep it good. We're literally just gonna speed through this just because it's kind of a little late. It's like 12 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet.
I haven't eaten yet?
Eight. All right, so yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, I went to get some tools that we forgot. So it's just gonna be the Allen wrench and the seat clamp, just because my brake pads are so low. Now I'm gonna do the fronts while I wait for it. Let's get it going. We got the whole knuckle assembly off. Woo! Now, got this new bad boy. The knuckle. So we got the whole knuckle assembly right there. Got the 2 heart right here. And then we're gonna remove the ball joint over there. Should be pretty easy. And yeah, should be good. Should just put on my rear brakes and rotors for me. 100%.
Remember my phone, my automation? Come here. You ready? Oh yeah, plug me in, daddy.
Yeah, so we're just finishing this knuckle up right now. Once this is done, and then we can go to the other side, and then we're chilling. Got the bags right here. I'm going to put in the Teflon tape on the fittings. Decided to do elbow, just because it's much better. And I'm gonna take this off because I don't want this to blow up. You know what I mean? Got the front done. Definitely need to adjust the toe. I have some toe plates right there that I can use for a meantime to adjust it. I'm gonna use the elbow right here. This is extremely low, like this is maxed out low. I jacked it up. It's actually like hitting the axle right here in the frame, so I have to touch the frame. But what my plan is, airline right here, probably gonna route it. Oh, I can't even route it right there. I'm gonna route it right here. I'm gonna route it all the way. The fender right here. Shouldn't be a problem. Gonna be routing it inside, like on this side right here, because that's the fender. Right to here, all the way inside here. And then route it all the way to the back. And then, yeah, put it to the trunk. Over here, that's gonna be messy right now. And then the rear bags. So this fitting right here, you could do elbows or straight. I prefer straight. So that way you can route it up top right here. And I'm going to remove this shield right here, make a hole into the spare. And then it'll be basically go up right there. And yeah, it should be good. All right, I'm gonna correct myself. So do not mount your bags like that for the rear. You should invert it. The fitting should be on the bottom. It should be ran through your control arm on the bottom, which is the bucket. And then you can route it all the way, same thing, straight to the spare well. You can just make a hole right there. Makes life easier for you. When I did that with the fitting on top, it looks like it kept popping out because it kept getting kinked out. So now I flipped it over, which is how you're supposed to do with Airlift's manual. Yeah, so I had no any issues. So just flip it around and then it should be good. This is maxed out. You're gonna make it super stiff. Front is maxed out. Hopefully this should be low enough. And yeah, we should be good, G. Almost done. Brakes right here. So she's doing the other side right now. And yeah, should be good. Doing the airlines right here. We're just routing it through the fender. I don't have any fender covers right here. So I'm gonna route it with a line right here. There's like a hole right here in your chassis. You can use it to basically have it right here. And then have it come up to this side. So,
Make sure you have enough room.
yeah. Hopefully it doesn't hit anything. Wire it up right there. And then we're Gucci. We should be back in just a few. So we are almost done with tucking the wires. Let's see, tucked everything right there. Put everything right there. Got the tank right there. Still needs to be cleaned up. This might just do for now. Might have to figure out a situation where I'm gonna do it a little bit cleaner, but got everything tucked in there. So nice and neat. Hopefully, no leaks or anything like that. Yeah, we got the wiring harness right here. Got the controller wired up. Controller is going to sit here for now until I find a better spot or like have something right here that goes down. Other than that, everything is pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure it out. I mean, I can just do the other side tomorrow. But pretty much wiring and everything is done. Got the bag sitting right there in the middle for now also, because I need to have like a longer line for that one. Also, I can go like mount it up right there and got two spots right there. Yeah, everything is all good. So I'll go ahead and keep you guys updated. I still need to adjust the rear camber of my car. Still need to adjust a few things, make sure everything is good, first of all. And yeah, keep everything good. Just woke up early this morning. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Right now, we are actually putting in a full port ball valve. So that way, whenever I need some air on my tires or whichever case may be, I can simply just hook it up right here using a coupling from the hose right here. All right, so we're almost done with the bag install. As you can see right here, sheesh, that fitment is good, but what the hell is this? So we gotta fix that issue. Look at that gap right there, that is huge. I don't know what's going on. I think it's the strut that's limiting it. I'll take a look at it in a bit. But this one, almost the same thing. You can see that big gap right there, so we might have to switch the struts in the back, but the fronts are pretty much good. All the airlines are run pretty good, but right now we do need to go to a Home Depot run real quick, just because we need to get the terminal connectors for the battery, just because the ones that were in there were corroded. So other than that, everything is pretty much good. The whole management right now, we did soapy water somewhere. Right there, new Teflon tape. This is new. This was leaking earlier, fixed it. It's not leaking anymore. These were not leaking. Alright, so it is day 3. Unfortunately, couldn't do anything yesterday. Because my manifold is leaking. So that's one of the things that you guys need to check out. You gotta be cautious whenever you buy something used. Of course, that is definitely my problem right there. I bought a used one. It's okay. I'll take a look at it and see what's wrong with it. Hopefully we can fix it. It's not under warranty, so which is Okay. What you need to take apart the manifold is a Torx H-bit right here. Thank you to my girl. She gave it to me. Well, she lent me it. So to take off the top bolts right here, I'll show you guys later. And a pick, any pick, honestly, to get the gaskets out, and also some hex nuts right there on the bottom. You can clearly see in the bottom right here, and also there's some inside right there, but I'll show you guys later the tear down, so that way you guys are updated. But yeah, we'll go ahead and rebuild the manifold together, and hopefully we can fix it. Okay, so I got the setup right here. I have the O-rings right here from AutoZone. Like I said, you need a pick, you need the Torx bit. This is a 15. This is a Torx H, so you have that center right there. Safety, tampering thing. You got the Allen key set right here. You're most likely going to use 2. I'm going to check if we need 3 or 4. Other than that, let's go ahead and set this up. Your torch, don't forget your torch. So, from what it looks like, I couldn't take the motherboard out, so I just left it alone. So I just took these out real quick. They're in these holes right here. They do have some O-rings right there as well. Yeah, looks like none of them are damaged, but they are a little bit nasty. So yeah, that's the only ones you need to take out. You can see these are long bolts right here. Other than that, yeah. Those are the ones that you need to take out. And then you have the hex. That's right here again. These are, I think these are 2. I can just safely lift this up. Just be careful. As you can see, they are super dirty. You see, top right there are super gumped up. A lot of debris. So that's what's causing the leak. I'm going to replace these O-rings right here from the O-rings right here. Make sure everything is brand new. Make sure everything's working good. Yeah, this is pretty dirty. So yeah, it's probably why it wouldn't, you know, like stuck the boom there. Now we have the bottom one right here. You also have a rubber gasket right here replaced. Yeah, so these ones are basically the one that gets stuck open. As you can see right here, it's 100% stuck. This is the exhaust. These you can leak from there, even the smallest bit, they can get stuck. All right, so I finally figured it out. I did use the torch, by the way. I did grab some lubricating oil right here, multi-purpose. So basically you just heat up this ring right here, and eventually it'll start passing the heat through the tip right there and melt off a little bit of the plastic right there, so that way you can get it off. I already took 2 off, and excuse me, and what it looks like, the springs are gone. It's crazy. Yeah, you can see right there, it's corroded, gone. This is what happens when you don't run a water trap in your tank, well, on your tank. Yeah, I'm gonna go and try to go to some hardware stores, see if they have any springs that's that size. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's about that size. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if they have any. All right, so it was a pain in the ass to get it, but I think I got it to sit flush, like super flush right there, because the O-ring's right there as well. But yeah, I mean, everything should be good. I used the torch to basically melt it down a little bit, but you see right here, pushes it back and forth naturally. So like airs up, airs down, just go back and forth, and there shouldn't be no problem. Yeah, everything works good. All right, guys, so we finally finished everything up. I fixed the air right here. As you can see right now, it can air up, individually, but the only problem is that the spring was too thick, that it basically like airs up super slow and airs down super slow as well. But at least we fixed the leak right there. We also found another leak in the what do you call this, air tank line right there. It wasn't cut straight. Everything's recalibrated again to make sure everything is good. But yeah, everything's all set. I'm driving on my low preset right now. This is gonna be my ride height, if it actually calibrates really good. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, it does. So this is gonna be my ride height for now, but I'm gonna be riding with the Meisters with the low preset right here. This is gonna be the regular ride height, so go everywhere in places. But yeah, everything is all set and good to go. Car's finally back. You know, I know that I wasn't gonna go back, but also I adjust some camber right there in the front to make sure my wheels will fit. The wheels will get remounted tonight. Well, I'm gonna get new valve stem tonight. See right here, see my beautiful babies. So I'm gonna do more content from now on. This is gonna be the journey to going back to basically fully functional car, fully functional daily stance car, bag stands. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Hit the like and comment and subscribe. My Instagram is gonna be in the description down below. But yeah, everything is good to go. Peace out, guys.